Hello everybody, today is the 32nd anniversary of elevator photography. We are outside of the Bird in Hand Family Inn in Bird in Hand, PA. We are about to go in and ride the ThyssenDover elevator. That is what today's video is going to be. Alright, and we'll see you inside in just a moment. Alright, here we are at the elevator. Let's go up. So ThyssenDover put in, I believe, in 2000. Let's go free. It's gonna be a short ride. This is a very quiet hotel. There are three. That door slammed. So ThyssenDover, according to the 2000, according to the certificate. All right, let's watch the weather. Let's go 3 and end it up there. Focus camera. This is a guest floor. Here it goes. And let's walk down this hallway. Anyway, that will be it. Thank you very much for watching this short 32nd anniversary of elevator photography video. That will be it. Thank you very much for watching.